In the last video, we saw how to execute lines of code when a property value changed during component interaction. We did it with the split two-way binding syntax. In this video, let's see how to do the exact same task with getters and setters. I'm going to create a new property called customer name, which is of type string. In the template, we are going to two-way bind it with an input element. So I'm going to copy paste the code and change name to customer name. If we take a look at the browser, it should be working as expected. Welcome, Vishwas. But again, what we want is an alert message when the customer name is Vishwas. To achieve that using getters and setters, we begin by changing the customer name to a private property. Private underscore customer name. Next, we create the getter for this property. A getter is nothing but a function that returns the private property. Get customer name of type string returns this dot customer name. Similarly, a setter is a function that accepts a value and assigns the passed in value to the private property. Set customer name accepts a value of type string and assigns it to the private property. And while setting the value, we can execute the additional code we wish to. I'm going to copy paste the if condition from the previous video. So in the setter, the updated value is now simply value, and let me also change the message from welcome back Vishwas to hello Vishwas. What you have to notice here is that the getter and setter function is what we are binding to ng model, not the private property. So now if I go back to the browser, start typing my name, you can see that the model and the view are still in sync. And when I complete my name, I get the alert message, hello Vishwas. So anytime you want to intercept property changes during class and template interaction, you have two approaches. You can split the two-way binding syntax, or you can make use of getters and setters. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.